my audience is Black American men and Black British men who want to date internationally. Do you like black men?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you like black men?
Because I don't know. I don't look at
2, 1. So what's up, everyone? I'm International Passport, back again for yet another video.
The Germans want us too, man. Come on, bro. We winning in all aspects. You hear me? You hear me? Hey, look into the video, man.
Special guest with me called, what's your name, please?
Svenja.
Svenja, you're from where in Germany?
I'm from Hamburg in Germany.
Fantastic. So Svenja, my first question to you is, what do you look for in a guy physically? Do you want like a tall guy, a short guy, a skinny guy, or a guy with muscles? Break it down for us, please.
Yeah, so I really like tall guys. They should be taller than me. I mean, they don't have to be like 2 meters or so, but they should be like, definitely taller than me. And like a little bit of muscle would be good too. And yeah, I guess that's like most of it what I'm looking for. Okay,
no problem. So when you say like tall, some guys feel like you got to be like, 6'8" or 6'10". It's like, you're like, how tall are you? If you don't mind me asking.
I don't know what like
you're around 5'8", 5'7".
Yeah, something like that.
So would a guy who's 5'10", 5'11" be okay with you, or do you want taller, like 6 foot?
I mean, she want a taller guy, but 5'8" for a female is pretty tall. Nigga, that's how tall I'm 5'8". You feel me? Actually 5'7.5", but I'm 5'8". But for a female, that's pretty tall.
Yeah, that would be okay for me.
Fantastic. And in terms of muscles, do you want like a muscular guy with big muscles, or like just fit, or do you want a fat guy?
Oh, that's so mean to talk about that. But yeah, I like when they're a little bit more like muscle, as they're just like in general fit. They do their sport and workouts. So because it's like not only.
So it's always good to take care of yourself, guys. Make sure you're in the gym, making sure you're doing what you gotta do. You hear me? Don't waste no time. Get in the gym, do what you gotta do. You feel me? Just like that.
They're outside looking, but also like I think it's a mental thing. Like when you do sports, it goes into your mental stuff. So yeah.
Okay. So my next question is, what do you want in a guy in terms of personality traits? Do you want like a masculine guy, a feminine guy, or in the middle? And tell us why you want that type of guy.
I would say more masculine. Like he has to have more masculine energy than I do, I would say, because I like to, like, I know what I want and I like to go after my goals and reach them. So
she basically saying have some ambition. You feel me? You gotta have some type of ambition. Don't be sitting around not doing nothing. You hear me?
I mean, I don't like it when he makes all the decisions, but like for like the small decisions would be good. Like where do we go to dinner, and yeah, but he should not do like any decisions like where we go on vacations or so. That would be something that I like to do.
Oh, okay. So why do you want to choose the vacations if you don't want me asking? Wouldn't that be like a 50-50 choice?
Yeah, I mean, we should agree on that point, but yeah, we should agree on that, so that he should not make it on his own. But like when we go to dinner, for example, or what we do in the evening or for a date, that's very nice if he makes the decision and then takes there's a masculine energy, and not I have to do that.
So my next question is, so you want a masculine guy, right? So that means you must be a feminine woman. If so, are you a feminine woman? Let me know. If not, tell us why you're not feminine, or if you are feminine. Break it down for us, please.
Okay, I mean, I would say I'm in some parts I can be feminine, but I know like when it's like the career point of view, or where I know where my life should go, like in which direction, then I have a really masculine energy as well. So I know that, but yeah, but I can be feminine too. Like when it's about going on dates or so, then I like to go into my feminine energy.
So follow-up question here. So you're masculine in your career. So
yeah.
But in your household with your boyfriend, and when you're intimate with him, or when you're sitting together, like when you're talking, is that when your femininity comes out?
Yeah, but he has to be like more masculine than I am. So like he has to actively be more masculine than I am. So yeah.
Fantastic.
Well, men don't want no masculine woman at all. We ain't trying to be more masculine than a masculine woman. Come on now. You feel me? So I ain't like that answer too much, but let's keep it going.
So the next question for our guest is, so when it comes to dressing, right, how do you want a guy to dress? Like, do you want like a very smart dress code, like what I'm wearing, like a jacket, a shirt, some shoes, or more casual, like trainers, a t-shirt and jeans? Tell us why and with your options.
I think it always depends on who it sees, but in my opinion, I like it when the people are more, with a shirt and a jeans and nice shoes, or a polo and so on. I'm not a fan of trainers.
Why not? Tell me why.
I mean, you can wear it at home, and I do wear that at home too, but I think when you go outside, it's even into a restaurant or so, in my opinion, it's nice to dress up, and just to dress up. I think it's good.
Fantastic. So my next question is, how do you want a guy to approach you? Do you want a more traditional approach where he finds you attractive when you're walking down the street, he walks up to you and asks you, what's your number? Or should it be more in a social setting where university, coffee shop, etc., etc.? Tell us what you think about that and how you want to be approached.
I mean, I like both ways. If it's on the street and he just stops and says hi, I think that's very attractive because it shows very that he's very confident. But also, I would say in a social setting, that it also shows that he's confident and directly talks to the girls and try to approach them. I think what I don't like personally, and I can probably speak for most of the girls in Germany, is that we don't really like it on dating apps, even though people are on it. But what we would more prefer, it's the impersonal approach.
Wow, okay.
Than on Instagram or whatever, because and I think it's the confidence that the guy shows, and it's definitely the masculine energy that he shows with us.
Oh wow, so you're saying Tinder, Hinge, Instagram, those kind of avenues to meet women, to talk to you. German girls don't really like that. They want that in-person approach. Walk up to her, tell her you look great, what you're wearing, are you free for coffee tomorrow? Is that what you're saying in general?
Yeah,
wow.
I guess because it doesn't really happens that often actually, so it's more about the social media stuff, how they get approached. But I mean, I had both, and so I got approached via social media or also in person, and I like it more when it's in person because, as I said, it's the masculine energy and the confidence a man shows, and let's all be honest, it's harder to say no on social media than in person.
So German guys are not approaching that much.
Well,
wow.
Not that often actually.
Okay. So if I come,
except they are drunk. So.
Except they are drunk. So let's just say an American guy comes and a British guy comes to Germany, right? And they approach a girl. Would that be more attractive in terms of okay, he's different, he has a great accent, he dresses differently from a German guy? Would that make us more attractive in your opinion?
No, I don't think so. It's just that German guys doesn't do it that often. I've noticed that more foreign guys have done that. It's just their behavior. It's not if they're more attractive or not. It's just the thing they're more attractive when they do it in person than via social media. My
next question for our lovely guest here is, do German women like black men? If so, tell us why. If not, tell us why as well.
I don't think I can generalize it because everyone sees it in their own opinion and has their own see. I've had a couple of friends who had guy friends and boyfriends. So yeah, I cannot really say something to that.
That's fine. But do you personally like black men? If so, tell us why you're attracted to black men in general.
If it's a nice man, it doesn't really matter how he looks. So
okay.
I don't like to generalize I like it or I don't. I mean, I've never had one, but I don't like to generalize.
Okay, so you're actually open to any race of man as long as he respects you and treats you with respect and actually cares for you.
Yeah.
I like that answer. So I'll love you, guess your name one more time, sorry?
Sonia.
Sonia, thank you very much from Hamburg, and like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah, but she basically was saying, if you hear me, she might, if you treat her nice, but she said she'll go for a black guy. You feel me? But hey, to run the family. See you guys next video, and hey, be safe out there, kings. Let's get it, man.